Hey, this is Rick Yoder again from XBit Tech Services, and I'm just here with another update for my project here. So as you can see, I have the website open right now, and if I go to the home page, I now have the ability to add stuff to the cart. If I just click on these buttons essentially, that number in the top right hand corner should be updating. So I got a few products here, styluses, USB adapter, USB-C cable, and I just added all of them to my cart. So now if you see here, I have all of them added to my cart. So we have this header that denotes the My Cart section, and then we have a header that denotes the Save for Later section. Now I still have an issue with the cart where if I click on one delete button, it actually deletes all of them. That is kind of on the backlog right now since I needed to focus on the actual unique feature for WD6i, which in this case is just the ability to save items for later essentially. But I will be working on that cart bug ASAP now that I have this implemented. Besides that, you can delete things from the save for later. Now, in order to actually save an item for later, for the time being, you have to go to an actual website address. I don't have the button linked yet, essentially, but it's just 10 more minutes, if that, of working in the code. Um, Realistically, it's just adding another button to these products, essentially, that says like save for later or something like that. So that's just a quick, implementation. I'm not worried about that. I can get that done in a few minutes. But the actual cart bug is something that I definitely still need to look into. Besides that, the checkout button doesn't do anything because we're not quite there yet, but at least we got the save feature working. That's mainly what my concern was, is just catching up, getting focused, and getting what I was supposed to get done by the deadline essentially. So as you can see here, this is a snippet of code for the saved items. So first, we're using this blade template and we're checking if we have the saved item session and if we have more than one, or if we have one or more saved items essentially, because we don't want to display the save item section if we don't have any saved items. So that's where we get the don't forget these items header, and then we just loop through all the products and we just put them in a single row basically. And then we output the saved ID, and then this is like the trash can icon here that lets you delete a saved item essentially. But other than that, let's see, I have save items.php. So this is actually the backend code. So this is essentially, it works the same basically as the cart.php in the sense that we're consistently passing data to and from the controller files, which is pretty cool and neat. And we're just storing everything in a session at the end of the day. So as you can see, we have the add function and we also have the remove function. So if we want to save an item, we add it and we cast an int val, so we make sure it's a number and not saved as a string or anything funky like that. And then if we want to remove it, we just unset that value essentially from that array. Then we update the session, and then we just redirect the user back to the cart page essentially, which as you can see, if I go back and save the new product, click on this trash can icon, and I just go right back to the My Cart page. But other than that, that's all the updates I have for now. I will be working on the checkout and fixing that cart issue this week. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.